ito, wala naman masyadong...
Okay. Hi guys, can I share with you? Yeah, yung sa SONA muna. Oo. Yung sa SONA, I was very happy na maraming discussions on health and education. Happy ako dun syempre marinig yun. Pero as you know, 5 years na ako nag-handle ng budget ng DOH and hindi ako aware na kaya na pala nila mag no balance billing. So I'm happy kung doon tayo papunta. Pero magkakaalaman talaga in the next few days kasi syempre yung mga tao, they will expect na gano'n na mangyari. And naawa din ako sa LGUs kasi although sinabi naman it is for DOH mostly that, syempre a lot of people yung access nila sa LGU. And LGU, the mayors, sila ang i-expect ng tao. So we have to work together, like one unit dapat tayo because that is what the people will expect. Hirap ipaliwanag sa tao na DOH lang, LGU, but of course, I understand the limitation of funding. Having said that, I'm happy na yun yung vision. Pero kailangan clear tayo sa mga tao kasi they will feel very upset kung hindi nila makukuha yun.